Right. Hello. Follow up to the light bulb microwave incident. We're going to place a battery and a cigarette lighter in the microwave. Over to Jamie Reilly, the owner of the microwave and instigator of the stunt. Hello, Jamie.
Aye. There's going to be no batteries in my microwave.
Oh, why not? It'd be funny. Just a lighter. That's boring. Can we not put the battery into?
This will be fun enough.
Okay. If this doesn't work, we're putting a battery in, yeah? Or a light bulb and the lighter.
No.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Put it in there. Oh yes. There it goes. The light, the lighter. Hold on. Let me see it.
I don't want to do it. If this goes on fire, it explodes.
Oh! Look at that!
What do we do if it goes on fire?
It won't go on fire. Look! The flames coming out the end. Look at that! Stand away.
I don't know.
Don't turn it off, leave it. Open it, let's film it. Woo! Open it. Woo! Can we not put it on more? Riley, that is so funny. That is so funny.
Where are you filming?
We should put a light bulb in with it. Spit on it! Spit on it! Look at this! It's on fire! That's even funnier than the light bulb! That was amazing! Riley, that was fucking amazing! Oh, how funny was that? I got to the toilet before I pitched myself! How funny was that?